Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel English with our Comrade. In this video, I am going to talk a bit on parts of speech, the fifth part, namely adverb and its types. Well, I have already made videos about noun, pronoun, adjective, verb and its types in detail. So watch that video as well. Link is in the description. So let's get started. What is adverb? An adverb is a word that modifies or describes a verb, like he sings loudly. Sing is what? Verb, and loudly is what? Adverb. The same, an adjective, very tall. Tall is adjective and very is what? Adverb. The same, another adverb, too quickly, or even a whole sentence. Adverbs often end in ly, but some, such as fast, look exactly the same as their adjective counterparts. Well, here many students do mistake that whenever there is ly in any word, so that word is adverb, but it's not that the same. Like gracefully, timely, stately, it's what? It's adjective. The same, there is ly, but it's adjective. Like bully, neighborly, brotherly, the same, these are nouns. And friendly, stately, likely, ugly, early, so these words are adjective as well as adverb. So I hope it has been helpful for you. And the second, that what are the types of adverb? We have 9 types of adverb. So let's discuss it one by one with examples. The first one, adverb of manner. An adverb of manner describes how you do an action. He speaks softly, he speaks loudly, loudly, softly, and hardly, clearly, hard, and happily, etc. These all are adverb of manner. The second type is adverb of place. Adverb of place tells us that where something happens, adverbs of place are usually placed after the main verb or after the clause that they modify. Put the cup of tea there. There is what? Adverb of place. Please bring that chair here. Here is what? Adverb of place. The same other words like where, up, down, out, every. So these all are adverb of place. And the third one is adverb of time. Adverb of time that change or quality the meaning of a sentence by telling us when things happen are defined as adverbs of time. And adverb of time is just when, what you might expect it to be. A word that describes when, for how long, or how often a certain action happened. For example, I read my book all afternoon. Afternoon is what? Adverb of time. The same, I stayed at my friend's house for a night. Night is adverb of time. And other words like before, now, ago, already, today, tomorrow, these all are adverb of time. Adverb of number. The fourth one, adverb of number. Adverbs of number are also known as adverbs of frequency. They are used to explain how often something occurs. For example, my brother seldom goes to school. Seldom is what? Adverb of number. He always speaks the truth. Always is what? Adverb of number. The same like often, again, always, since, and twice. So these all are what? These are adverb of number. The fifth one, adverb of quantity. Adverbs of quantity in English indicate the quantity of an action. They are usually placed after the verb and before the adjectives and other adverbs. For example, it costs a lot of money to buy a new laptop. A lot is what? That is adverb of quantity. The bag is almost full. Almost is adverb of quantity. They are smart enough to skip a class. Enough is what? That is adverb of quantity. The same like too, almost, enough, very, pretty, only. These all are adverbs of quantity. The sixth one, adverbs of affirmation and negation. Adverbs of affirmation are words which declare that a given statement or fact is true or positive. I can probably go there. Probably is what? Adverb of affirmation or negation. He will surely give you money. Surely is what? Adverb of affirmation and negation. The same other words like therefore, hence, etc. So these all are adverbs of affirmation and negation. And the seventh one is adverb of reasons. Adverb of reasons are words used to tell the reason behind the happening of a particular occurrence. For example, on account of rain, the match was postponed. So now here that reason is what? The rain means adverb. Rain is the reason behind postponing the match. The sense, since it is hot, I am very tired, means hotness is the reason. That's why he is tired. Other words like yes, no, not, never, and surely. So these all comes in adverb of reasons. The eighth one is interrogative adverb. The interrogative adverbs are why, where, when, and how. They are used to ask questions. Where is your car? So where is what? That is interrogative verb. Interrogative adverb, sorry. I have written here verb mistakenly, so it's adverb. When are you going to see the doctor? The same, it is when is what? When is interrogative adverb, like when, where, why, how. These all comes in interrogative adverb. And the last one is the relative adverb. A relative adverb is used to start a description for a noun. For example, the seat where we sat last Saturday is still free. Now, where is what? That is the relative adverb. We don't know the reason why he left. The reason means the why is what? Relative adverb. Others like when, where, why, etc. So these all are relative adverbs. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have liked this, share it with your friends and do subscribe channel for more videos. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.